Welcome to my visual tour. For more details on this property or to schedule an appointment to personally preview, be sure to contact a realtor today. Must see this 3-bed, 2-bath, 3-car garage pool home located on a quiet cul-de-sac tucked in the back of the Autumn Oaks Subdivision. Association fees only $330 a year. Features double-door entry, formal living, dining and family room with fireplace, inside laundry room and lots of sliders leading to lanai pool area. Large landscaped yard with lots of privacy, ADT alarm sys. Since 2012 seller has installed pavers in front driveway and back by pool, added sidewalk around to back, installed fence, resreened pool cage and added pool chlorination system, updated air well, painted interior and exterior and replaced roof and more. Fully furnished option negotiable and jacuzzi tub on lanai stays. Purchased with unrepaired sinkhole and repair estimate at time of claim in June of 2011 was $45,000. Current estimate to repair quoted in March 2018 at $19,950 and reports are available. Owner financing option offered with 25% down, 6% interest amortized over 15 years with 5-year balloon payment.